You're living in Germany, everything is going well, until your landlord keeps your deposit, your employer terminates your contract, or a German legal letter arrives that you don't even understand. And then you think, no problem, if I'm right, the other side will pay my lawyer. Unfortunately, Germany doesn't always work like that. It's a common mistake. This is exactly where Rechtsschutzversicherung, legal insurance, becomes extremely valuable. I'm Marcel from German Sherpa, and today I'm going to show you why you need to protect your life in Germany before the trouble starts. Meet Arjun. Like many international professionals, he has a great career, a nice apartment and a car. But he doesn't fully understand the German legal jungle yet. He's doing great, but he's not protected. Rechtsschutzversicherung is your legal safety net. It covers the costs when you need professional help to fight for your rights. It can cover lawyer fees, court costs and even expert witnesses. But here's the catch, coverage depends on your specific tariff. For most expats, there are 4 core areas plus extended crime protection, which is mandatory in our professional assessment. First, private legal protection. This covers everyday disputes, like that online purchase that never arrived or an unfair contract. Second, and this is critical, is employment legal protection. This is where most expats get a huge surprise. In Germany, under Section 12a of the Labor Court Act, each side generally pays their own lawyer in the first instance, even if you win. If Arjun is unfairly fired, he might win his case, but he'd still owe his lawyer thousands of euros unless he has insurance to cover it. Third, housing and tenant protection. If you've ever rented in a German city, you know how stressful this can be. Arjun moves out and his landlord keeps his 3,000 euro deposit for damages. Without insurance, fighting this might cost more than the deposit itself. Finally, traffic legal protection. It's not just for car accidents, it covers you as a driver, cyclist, or even a pedestrian in a dispute. You can also add optional construction legal insurance or Bauherren Rechtsschutz. Note that this typically comes with a 6-month cooling period. And now, the most important rule. You cannot wait until you have a problem to buy the insurance. Existing disputes are excluded. Most policies have a 3-month waiting period. If the fire has already started, you can't insure the house. You need to act now. So how do you know which policy is right? Don't just look at the price. A cheap policy is useless if it excludes the areas you need. Family tariffs start from around 282 euros or 390 with construction. Singles start at around 240. For expats, the stress isn't just the money, it's the language. You don't need to be an expert, you just need to know how to get professional help. This is exactly why we created German Sherpa. We've been helping expats navigate the financial jungle since 2015, translating complex rules into plain English. If you're not sure if your current setup actually protects you, book a free one-to-one Sherpa check. We'll look at your situation. We will help you find the gaps. Go to germansherpa.com/check. I'm Marcel from German Sherpa. Let's make sure your journey in Germany is a safe one. See you in the consultation.